Today we're digging into the Just Buggin' archives to take it back to August 25th of 2021, where we were invited to surprise Sergio at his birthday party.
G-Man, Just Buggin', what can I do for you? Oh, you need a camera guy? Well, that's definitely not me. You must be wanting dog. Hey.
Hey, what's up? What can I do for you? This is dog?
Yeah, you having a birthday party?
Yeah, you having a birthday party?
We're at Sergio's birthday party.
What's up, man?
Just Buggin'.
Hey guys, what are we doing, man?
We're heading over to Sergio's for a surprise birthday party that he doesn't know about. His wife invited us, so we're all gonna show up. Hey, come on with us. We're gonna go say happy birthday to you, Sergio.
Stay tuned, guys. So where are we?
We're in Daytona Beach, and remember the record store?
Yeah.
We got our tattoos.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the record store and pick up an album or two for Sergio for his surprise birthday party, which might already be the surprise is over, but the surprise hasn't gotten there yet because Just Buggin' is showing up and he has no clue.
Yeah.
Let's go see what we can get Sergio for his birthday.
Let's go.
Yeah, Marvin Gaye. Oh, here's Earth, Wind & Fire.
Oh.
We'll get this one. This one right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Wow. Great song.
Only on a greatest hits album.
Let's go to a classic one. The Luther's Vandross.
Yeah. Starting here to here, you're going to find the Luther Vandrosses that we have are going to be in those three.
Okay.
And then Hall Notes is going to be over here.
You can go look at Hall Notes.
Everything I got right now, not a lot.
Alright, thanks, man.
That's probably the best one.
You want to go with that?
Sure,
Yeah, we got a...
Rick James! Yeah, I'll go with these two right here.
I look at this one every time I come here.
Guys have a good time.
You have a great day, man.
Have a good one, man.
Well, we got him.
Yep. It's off to Sergio's and give him some more to vinyl to play on that replica phonograph.
So, we're here?
Yep, it's Just Buggin', and we're at Sergio's birthday party, and we got some surprise records to put on his phonograph.
What do we get again?
Got some Hall & Oates. I wish I'd have thought about this earlier. I probably got two of these. And then Earth, Wind & Fire. These are bands that his wife mentioned to me that he would like, so that's what we just stopped by and picked up, so we could come in and surprise him with something so he can play it for us all here. So
Yeah.
let's go in and check it out, see what's going on.
Stay tuned. We're here.
Welcome.
Nice
Hey,
seeing
nice
you.
to
How you doing?
Nice to meet you. Name's Dalton.
The party's gonna be huge.
It's awesome, man. Chad hadn't been here.
Look, yeah, I'm not going to be rude, but I'm going to look at the cars.
Let's go give him a little tour. So, man, you got Renaults right here. This Renault is a Renault that is all electric powered, and that's original from 1960s. Yeah.
It's an electric car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got batteries in the front trunk and in the back.
And then these are three other Renaults.
It runs.
Yeah. Right now? Right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we had
VW birthday.
we had to do the phone trick again. Got Chad with us this time. Yeah, he's over here filming and checking out all the collection we've got here. Yeah. Got to get that fixed. Got to get it fixed over here.
And right here.
Yeah, this whole panel.
Okay. Oh, look, Sergio's here. You don't even know. What's up, man? What's up, man? Good seeing you, man.
See you guys here.
Hey, they're out here. There he is.
Holy shit. Yes, happy birthday. How you doing?
Where's Chad? There's Chad. Hey.
Yep.
You got Chad, a buddy here? Yeah, another part of the Just Buggin' team.
Happy birthday, bro.
So, how's it going?
The vibes are just awesome here. It's great, and we did this to put it
Document
out
his
there.
birthday. Yeah.
And so they'll look back in 3 to 5 years or something and say, man, that was great, you know, and who knows where he'll be, but it's going to be a great place. Yeah.
His collection is, excuse the language, awesome.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, he's got a great collection.
Yeah. So stay tuned. There's going to be more.
Stay tuned for the records.
Yeah, flipping our records, man. Got to flip some records here.
Yeah, wiki.
Wiki.
Hey, look, I think this is a cheese ball, a beef ball, then we got macaroons, and these little sugar thingies. Got a bunch of good stuff. I don't know what that is, but that looks good. And then you got a little like pot pie, some cheese. Let's dig in. Wow, these macaroons are good. Look at them over there. What are they doing? What are you guys doing over here?
Hey, back, man.
I'm trying to whoop his ass. Look. Yay! Heck yeah! Your turn.
Damn. How's that macaroon?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
Yeah.
That tastes lemon.
Yeah, it's so soft too.
That was delicious.
But look, it got a bunch of other good stuff. A bunch of stuff. Yeah, look at that. Whoever did that did a good job.
When you grab it though, this isn't how you grab it. Now when you grab it now, look.
Oh, that's cool.
Now look.
Oh.
Gotta put that pinky
Oh
on.
shit.
Pinky's up.
Oh shit.
Game on.
The ink came off.
I didn't even see that. Too busy being fancy.
Yeah. Hey, he found it.
Yeah, he found our record.
You told me about the record.
Yeah, I don't know who got you that. I
No,
really
we don't know at all.
No, we
I have no idea.
This is Earth, Wind and Fire.
What?
Jerry Honjo, no way.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Who told you that? Who gave you that piece of information?
Did you ask some?
Yes, I did.
A
little birdie came to my ear.
It's a perfect shot. Minor research, man. Minor research. That's all.
Yeah.
freaking.
What was that other one?
We are going to the concert in October, I think. So.
Yeah, she told us that. Yeah.
We'll be there.
Sweet.
Earth, Wind and Fire. Thank you guys.
You're welcome,
No
man.
problem.
I really
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Thank you. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. First thing, thanks for coming.
No problem, man.
Really enjoy it.
Ride Man Chad.
He's actually been behind the scenes, and you hadn't seen all the videos that he's in.
So he's the guy.
Yeah,
He's the guy.
He's
Not
motivated.
you. Not you.
Yeah.
He's the guy.
He's the guy. What's up, man? How's it going?
Oh, it's great, man. It's a great party here.
What's up, man?
Such hospitality.
Had some great conversations.
Oh yeah, great people here.
I just went and told him, I was like, Sergio, I was like, I just seen your cake, bro. I think the numbers are wrong. He's like, yeah, they're supposed to be higher. I was like, no, bro, it's supposed to be a little bit lower.
49.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's about to hit 50. I'm 54, so I've already been there.
Yeah.
Man doesn't look like he's 50 years old, that's for sure.
No.
When you hit 55, we do I Can't Drive.
No, you get your
55.
AARP and you get your senior citizen discount
Yeah.
at AMC Theater.
Or at Denny's.
What is disability, 55 or 60?
69 and 70.
Oh, it's senior discount, that's what it is. 55?
Yeah,
Senior discount's 55.
right. So you only get
How much longer you got?
1 year.
1 year. Old man, G-man.
Oh, man.
Ele merece. Ele merece. Ele merece. Ele merece.
Thank you very much for that.
In English now, English.
I can't
I'm trying to understand this because thank you for you.
I need subtitles.
Kelson!
Happy birthday, Kelson!
Happy birthday, man.
Kelson, stand up. Stop, Kelson. I did. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelson. Just Buggin people, thank you very much.
Yep, you're welcome.
Big surprise for you guys here. I'm really happy. It was a great honor. Thank you very much for coming.
You're welcome.
So he also said that there's a friend of him that came. He said, "Let's do this bar. Let's do this other thing." He said, "Are you crazy?" I said, "No, no." And this guy is that guy that you white shirt there.
Oh.
Michael. So when he woke up, it was done.
Oh,
Like,
wow.
yeah.
That's cool.
Like a lot. And he said that's why it was made. That was we built to make this to have friends, to have good times with friends.
Thank you.
In English? He's taking leave here for organize everything.
Aí gosta de uma festa.
Because she likes parties.
Oh, I can see it.
All right, let's go party. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
He's gonna sing later on. He's gonna play.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's awesome, man. It's great. Such great people.
I said, he was like, he looked at me, he was like, was that to us? I was like, oh, that was to us.
Yeah, I was like, that. They said thanks to us.
She was telling me what he was saying because I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
She said that his buddy over in the white shirt helped him or gave him the idea that they should create a place for all the friends to hang out
Right.
at. And supposedly he woke up the next day and it was all done.
Wow, such great time here. I wish I could understand everything. I mean, I learned the German language. I went to German 1, 2, and 3 when I was in Bamberg, West Germany. It's awesome to be a part of this and to be invited. It's great.
We thank you,
Happy
Olivia.
birthday.
Thank you, Sergio.
Yeah, thanks, Liv. For the album that we could go and purchase because we didn't have any time. Just Buggin was so busy, we didn't have no time to go drag something vintage out. So we went to the record store, hooked him up. Hey, and I think he's gonna play one of them.
Yeah, I hear he's gonna sing later too.
Oh yeah, that's great. That's when they met. She met him when he was a singer in a band.
Wow.
Yeah, it's awesome. Thanks, Sergio and Liv, for allowing us to be a part of this. It's great.
Thank you.
Alright guys, this is my gift from Just Buggin, my Earth and Fire vinyl. That's what one song. That stuff doesn't work anymore, but just having fun.
It's sweet, man.
A little bit slow, but that's okay.
That's okay. It works.
This is Earth and Fire.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, look at the extended front beam turbo. Where is that?
Brazil.
Do you build that?
Yes, yeah, he did.
Wow.
It's good on this. He built this place. He built this place. It's freaking cool, right?
Awesome.
We'll be here in the next year.
Job well done, man.
Thank you.
Job well done.
nice one.
Look this right. Volkswagen Golf engine, 2.1 liter, bi-turbo, 1,000 horsepower.
Why to mine?
Crazy.
Why to
You
mine?
can die in that stuff.
40 years old.
But he's crazy already.
You have an engineering mind.
Yeah, 8.9 horsepower, 150 nitro,
Wow. Very impressive.
8,000 RPM. He's crazy.
Oh, don't he got the wheelie? That makes my wheelie look like a baby wheelie. Yeah, that's cool. Back.
So show him. Osama bin Laden.
Oh,
Yeah. Wow. See, naked. Yeah. There you go. That's what you call free ball. Free balling. Sergio, I'm so happy we were a part of this.
Oh man.
And I'm telling you that
End of the film. You guys
from your watch.
each other makes me emotional. When you guys talk about me, about my history.
I know.
When you said something like that, I realized it. That moment I realized how
This
much
means
I did
something
in
to
this
us.
country. So you
To
guys
be
make-
included, the culture, the culture of all your Brazilian friends, the culture is
Look,
amazing.
but look at the flag.
Yeah.
Very special. I want to sing something to my wife.
My lip gloss on.
Fica assim.
That's the most beautiful love I've ever
Com esse teu jeito contagiante, viemos te lutar, vamos sambar mais. Não sei não, assim você me acaba me conquistando. Não sei não, assim eu acabo me entregando. Não sei não, assim você acaba me conquistando. Não sei não, assim eu acabo me entregando. Hoje está fazendo um ano e meio e eu estive por aqui, desconfiado sem jeito e quase calado. Quando fui bem recebido, desejado por você, nunca como eu poderia esquecer. Não sei não, assim eu acabo me entregando.
Y'all can give it up for the production that's over there. I don't know how they say it, but in German they say Zugabe.
Zugabe. Zugabe.
Play it again. Zugabe.
I like German.
Hey, y'all ain't gonna believe this, but all I'm saying is, I wear my
Sunglasses at night, so I can.
What's up, man?
So, you know about it.
this thing, this one.
Alright. That'll work. Yeah, there's
So
two
to
of
bring
them.
the cold room.
Somebody key it or something?
Yeah, about like this.
Oh, it came like that. Okay.
All yours.
Get an idea tomorrow and I'll let you know. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm working on the 1600L four-door Sergio's Brazilian Rare Volkswagen. And as you saw in the video, it's lit all the way back and couldn't reach the pedals. So these tabs were all bent down and there's one tooth off on the little lever on the seat. So I bent all those up and nobody seemed to like the roller pedal in it. And Sergio's gonna sell this, so a lot of people aren't gonna be used to it. So it's best that we go ahead and take it off and put the original stock pedal assembly back on. So that's what I did here. I wanted to show y'all something I like to do. It's usually like a two-man job to put this clutch cable on. Well, what I do is I drill a hole right through the end of the little hook that the cable goes on, and I drill a hole on the lever, and I take a piece of baling wire and stick it on it. And then all you have to do is slide that back in there, and you're good to go. You can do this by yourself. So I'm gonna get this ring on there, and I get my little plunger and screw that back on there and stick it in there. All right, so you get the gist of it. We had some paint issues we had to take care of. It's a beautiful match, gonna match up nicely, and took care of the hood. Had a few dings, gray spots, a little cut and buff in there, and get this back to Sergio so he can sell this fine automobile.
So, seems to be Sergio's 1600L is ready for him to pick it up.
Yeah, wet sand and buffed all the new painted pieces and then went over the rest of the car so everything would match, but the color is just spot on. Thank God for my wife, Trina, with her expertise.
Now, the areas that were painted was the hood, because there was a few little dents in the hood, and also these two areas where the hood
hit it right here. On
flipped up at one point
and then there
and
was
hit
like
it.
key scratches over here. Went ahead and did the whole fender. And it looks great. So we did that, and then as you recall, sliding all the way back in the seat last time we were out there. So I fixed the tracking in the seat, and it secures down now wherever you want to adjust it to.
And you also swapped out the pedal from a roller to a standard
Yes,
Volkswagen
it's got
pedal,
a brand new pedal assembly in it, stock pedal assembly.
which is
so
way
that
better.
A lot of people don't like the roller, and since Sergio is going to sell it, it would be much more
Appealing.
appealing to someone that's not used to a roller.
Yeah, but
So-
hey, I backed it over here and I enjoyed that.
Adjusted the clutch
Yeah.
and throttle linkage and adjusted the carburetor. Now it idles fine. It just wasn't high enough.
And then me and my mom just got done, washing it and
Yeah,
everything,
washing it
and
all up and cleaning the rims and tires and polished up the bumpers.
now I'm about to put on some spray shine on the tires.
Yeah, wet look.
Yeah, but it is a sweet car and it is ready for sale.
Go on to the next happy owner.
Yeah, ready for Sergio to pick it up. Now time for him to pick it up.
Yep, looks great. Hope he's happy. I'm sure he will be. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
Stay tuned. What's up, man? What's up? How you doing?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, man. Oh, dude, it's so much better.
Hate that stuff.
Got a great stand.
Yeah.
It drives better now that your seat doesn't move and you got that that pedal.
Much better. We'll take a drink there. I don't drink. I'll take it by yourself.
I'll do the drinking for you.
We'll see you soon. See you soon.
Have a good day, man.
Have a safe drive.
Guys, it's Dalton.
Brad Man Chad.
And G-Man.
So yeah, guys, we had a great time at Sergio's, and I know this video is coming out like what, 6 months later.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry about that, Sergio and Olivia, but I gotta say thank you guys for having us. We had such a great time. I mean, the live performance by Sergio.
Oh, yes,
damn, he's
yes.
good, man.
And all his great friends.
Yeah, I mean, he's got everything. He's got the great friends, a great family,
And the
The
great
collection,
party
the
place,
collection.
man.
great party place. I mean, we just had an amazing time, and yeah, man, we're glad we got you some records. to
Yeah,
spin on that
I'm
photo
glad you
ride.
enjoyed those records and you played a little bit. And
Yeah, and you had great food at the party too.
oh yeah. And it was nice working on your 1600L, and I hear you sold it. And
Yeah, which is
Yeah.
sweet.
It's
And
actually
also,
one of my favorite ones.
yeah, I really like the 1600L. It's really nice. And as you guys saw too, he sold the Severio to Michael Shores way back in the VW videos, if you remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Also, he did sell the 83 VW Gold. He sold the single cab. He sold the double cab. There might have been another one I'm missing, but he bought 2 more Brazilian VWs that are
Right,
coming,
right.
and he's got one that's a little
You're
bit of a
gonna pop up
secret.
some photos.
Yeah, there's one
Yeah.
that's a little bit of a secret. I can't tell you about that one yet, but that one's really
I don't
cool.
even know about that one.
so what did you think about everything? That was your first time there at his place.
Oh man, it was great. One of my favorite things is like obviously the people, culture, everything. The food was awesome. The presentation, all that. The cars, man. Look
yeah.
at his collection. Come on now.
Oh yeah, and
Yards
how they're
out.
laid out. and-
Yeah, and one of my favorite ones was actually the one that was brought here, the 1600.
Yeah.
It was different, cool, and I liked everything about it.
and the
SB2s,
SB2.
of course. Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
the SB2 and that touring coupe key.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we'll be going back to Sergio's at some point and filming inside his private museum again and showing off his new VWs. And also, we do have another Sergio video. It'll come out at a later point. It's actually before this video, but you'll see that at one
You're
point.
right.
But hey, I do gotta say, what are we sitting in front of, man?
The 61 Ragtop
Yeah,
Pee-wee.
Pee-wee.
Yeah, it's getting close. Almost
first
done.
time.
It's got to be ready for Sanford.
Yeah, Henry's
Yeah,
Depot.
it will be
January
ready,
27th.
but it's to me it's never ready. I'm always nitpicking every little thing. But it's a great restoration for what, as you say, backyard restoration.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
amazing, the turnaround.
It's just one of them things.
And it
You
was
look at this, you
quick
would
turnaround.
never expect it to come out of a backyard. That's my thing about it.
Right, right.
But yeah, you guys just stay tuned for that video. I'm pretty sure that's the next video up. We'll see you guys at the
Tomorrow.
VW Factory tomorrow. Well, you might see this video a little after that. But yeah, guys, of course, come out to Henry's Depot January 22nd in Sanford. See all those beautiful VWs. Get some food in the Henry's Depot.
Oh yeah.
That's when he will be premiering.
Yes,
He will be there.
Or debut.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or debut,
stay tuned
yes.
for that.
Yeah,
Debut.
it's going to be a cold one, I hear, next Saturday.
Yes, yeah.
So
Next week's gonna be cool.
dress warm and be there.
Yeah, be there with your VW.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Sergio's video. Thanks for watching the video. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just bugging of a day.
Keep on bugging, y'all.
Happy birthday again.
Yes, happy birthday.
Doing the Pee-wee in front of Pee-wee. Doing the Pee-wee.